Hello viewers, this is Amini Bhaskar and in today's video I am gonna share with you the greeting cards I got from my little students. With their tiny hands, limited resources and a great heart. So here you are looking at. Dear teachers, the way you care, the knowledge you share, the love you shower has immense power. You work hard with optimism. Dear teacher, you are awesome. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the educators and teachers out there. Hope you will shower your love on my channel and my little children's effort and the efforts of Sarkari Primary ka Shikshak as well. Thank you. If you do like my video, please subscribe my channel.